excuse me, a small update to the last video. I haven't tried anything yet, but see how this, when I turn this fan on, it's starting to make a noise now. The LED goes dim, it's still on, and the LED is bright when I turn it off. So there's something wrong, and I'm going to figure it out. We hope this is recording. Flashing, it's recording. Yeah, it's flashing. Right, so what I have to do, unplug it. Let's see if I can get a way to just snip this. I think I've got the positives the wrong way around. I've got them back to front, I reckon. Don't know quite how to show you this. I'll just take this wire off, maybe that'll help. Yeah. So I've got power from that, the power supply. In the middle it should be, and this is power to accessory, which is the power to load, which is the fan. So that needs to go there. That one needs to go over there. Apparently I just watched a video on YouTube, and I will give credit to the guy as well. It's an old video, it's about a year old, but let's just try that. Pop that back in. Well, that's power, and yeah, there we go, it's fixed. That's what I was doing wrong. I had the powers back to front, so I didn't want to mislead anybody. So I've made this update just to keep us all right, you know. I'm gonna cable tie this back up just quickly there, and then upload this video. Upload this little video just to say sorry, you know. I didn't mean to mislead you. So, but it's sorted now. I don't know why that's making a noise, and I thought to take these off, so I'll take that off. Oh yeah, wasn't making a noise before. I don't know. These fan cables are just hanging around. I'll just wire them up. Out of the way. Don't know the way they are. Get snagged on things very easily. Possibly like that would be alright. It's a bit ugly though, isn't it? That'll be fine like that. So that's eased my mind a little bit, but that's sorted out. So I click the fan, LED comes on. That's how it's supposed to work. It's not supposed to make a noise though. Anyway, it's on a temporary measure till I get my extractor. Yeah, I'm just going to update this. Upload this update